In front of me is TCL 305i, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Now select Permission Manager at the top and tap on one of your device's features to manage it, like location. Now tap on one of your apps, in my case Booking.com, from Not Allowed section, and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Booking.com just gained access to this device's location if I'm using my app. You can also go back, select any feature and locate an app that you wish to manage, like for example Chrome. Now instead of selecting any of those options, select See All Chrome Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!